That's 4 floors. Where are you going?
I think 4.
Odd. Oh, hold on. There you go.
Oh, that's weird, isn't it?
I hit down.
What?
I hit down.
Oh. Oh, and I guess it.
You have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
I was not expecting Gen 2. Whoa. I think this thing flies. Nothing in there. This is like the family hall or something. Do one more and then we'll end on G. We even got an egg lantern, which I should probably check. Is it wired? Didn't even take it out. It's on there well. Unless I'm doing that wrong. I had an egg lantern incident before. There it goes, and that is it.